If you wanna know how to plaster a cement plaster your walls like this one and make them very smooth and no cracks, stay tuned. I show you the perfect recipe on how to do it at home. Alright, so let's get started. Alright friends, first of all you're gonna need a cement mixer, a wheelbarrow and a couple of buckets. Yeah? Alright, first things first, we're gonna take a bucket and we're gonna put some hydrated calcium lime, or in Romania, how they say it, var calcic hidratat. This one from Chelco. My personal thing is one full thing of this one, hydrated calcium lime, and another half of it. More. Alright. But before we're gonna start let's take our safety measurement already. Alright, so stay started. First thing, of course, we're gonna need some gloves because working with powders are very creepy, and then some dust mask like this one, as you can see here, because powder are very crazy and you don't want to stuck this shit on your lungs. Alright, safety is done, let's proceed to the recipe. Alright friends, we have added the calcium hydrated lime. Next we're gonna put a full bucket of cement. As you can see, I have my safety on and my voice is gonna be funny as well because I have the mask put on. Come on. Alright, we have added the cement. As you can see here is nearly a full bucket of it, and now we're gonna go and fetch some sand, just a little bit. Here you go. We're gonna need 3 buckets of this bastard thing, but for now we're gonna take 2 and then we're gonna come back with another 1 more. Alright friends, we're gonna go over with the ingredients. Like a quarter of bucket of hydrated calcium lime, nearly a full bucket of cement, and 1, 2, 3 bucket full of cement with the granulation 0.4 millimeter or something. Basically not that thin stuff, you need a little bit grossier sand. Alright, so this is all the ingredients. Let's get started. Put the mixer on place. Something is wrong as usual, but we fix it. We're gonna start the bastard thing. As you can see, we have some water added in, but we're gonna put more. Let's take the bastard hose and add some water inside. Alright, so we have some water inside the cement mixer, and first thing first, we're gonna gradually added the sand. And it's gonna be difficult with one hand. Let me pause this bastard thing. Alright, so we have the thing. I told you we're gonna put first the sand. Go. Then we're gonna add some more water. The glove on. Now we're going to put a mask because we're going to add the calcium lime. Faster. There you go. Calcium. Now half of the sand. Half of it. Let's take the cement mixer a little bit. Again with the sand. water. Tilt it a little bit. Let it mix, let it mix. Right position. More water. Half of the cement. More water. And then the rest of the sand. Cement. Alright. We got all the 4 buckets, 5 of them empty. Now we're going to fill it. Add some more water. And just let it sit. More water. Don't overdo it with the water thing. Just follow the best of stuff. Now you have to follow the cement mixer, how it's doing it is nearly to perfection. If by any chance you added too much water, you can put a little bit sand, and if it's not enough water, just put more water. This should be the consistency of the plaster thing. I'm gonna let it mix for a while, and then we're gonna put it in the wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow? Fucking hell. And now I'm gonna put it in the wheelbarrow. That's the phone. Come on, bud. Stay with me, piece of shit. Let's see what's left inside the thing. Not much. As you can see, we can stop it. Have to put this one in the thing, and we got a little bit leftovers because this is a one-man job. We're gonna take it with our tool. All right, and be back. All right, so we have our cement put in the thing. Let's check the consistency. As you can see, needs more water. It's too fluffy. We have added a little bit more water. Now we're gonna mix the pasta thing. It's gonna be easier with the garden tool, the big one that you made in a garden. There you go. Is making the perfect consistency. There you go, friends. We have added more water. Here goes next to perfection. We can add a little bit more and should be perfect for plastering with the cement. Alright, friends, thanks all for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned. Tomorrow, pavements. See ya.